Okay, so for confidentiality's sake, I'm not saying anybody's names, but your initials are LJ. And so this is for you. You sent me your information, and yours is a story about going to Seattle. And you've given me your list of words and your story. So let me just help you out a little bit. First off, you asked me the sign for week, and the sign for week is week. But when you're doing last week, you're going to do week and then you go backwards. So last week. So I'm not going to tell you how to sign everything, but you said last week my family went to Seattle. So when you sign last week, your eyebrows are going to go up. So last week, and then we had a great trip, a wonderful trip. You could say it was wonderful. You don't need to say a wonderful trip. My mother-in-law is my mother and then in-law. The in part is just in the word. You say one dog is large and the other dog is small. So because you're talking about dogs, then you're going to show them. It's going to become a classifier. And so you're going to do the sign for dog. And then you're going to tell me how your dog is large. Is he large this way? Is he large this way? Is he large this way? And your other dog, how is it small? Is it small? Is it small? Show me how your dogs are large and small, however, okay? And then your dogs are very nice and obedient. Are they sweet? You know, in what way do you enjoy them? How are they nice? How are they obedient? Then you go quite a ways there. But your husband is happy to see his mom and your daughter, grandma. Then you go down. We had so much fun. I would probably sign that we really enjoyed it. So that we really enjoyed it. We drank a lot of coffee. I would show that you're drinking a lot of coffee. So coffee, and your eyebrows are up because that's your topic. So coffee, and then you drank it, and you drank it, and you drank it. In the morning, we ate breakfast at our hotel. It sounds like that's something you did like every morning. So then you show in the mornings. There we go. That way you can see it in the mornings. And that you're at your hotel. And that you ate. That's all you're doing. We know that it's breakfast because it's morning time. So you don't need to say anything special. Breakfast is understood. We rode on a train and a boat. So you could say train and boat. And then you rode on them. And that we also drove 500 miles on your tour. You could say that your family. So the family. We drove. And then you're going to do 500. And you've done your numbers. So 500. Then you finger spell miles. M-I-L-E-S. And then you did it. And that's a lot. So you're going to show that in your face. You know, so 500 miles. And that we got on a plane and flew home for 4 hours. And so you could show your plane ride. And then now you're going to incorporate a number in your hour sign. 4 hours. I think that's all your signs. Let me see. So now I told you that you need to get these in word order. And to give you an example of that, you have the sentence, we had so much fun, I forgot to do my homework. Probably the way that I would sign that is we enjoyed happen, my homework, and then I boop, meaning you totally forgot about it. So do that with all of your sentences for me. You need to write them down and send them to me telling me your word order because it's going to change. And do that and then also sign them and send me that too. Okay? All right. Good job.